Do you want to make this dog inflate? Melt this car? Or maybe make this camera explode? How about squishing this character? Or crushing some foods? With Pika AI 1.5, you can create videos like these in just a few clicks. Plus, the new model of Pika AI is capable of creating longer clips, lifelike moves, and big screenshots. In this video, I'll guide you through the detailed settings and step-by-step instructions, so you won't waste your credits just trying things out. So let's get started.
Once you're on the Pika page, link in the video description, you can sign in using Google, Discord, or email. After signing in, you'll land on the Explore page, where you'll find example videos and an input field to type your prompts. At the top, you'll also see your remaining free credits. I currently have 195. Free accounts provide 50 monthly video credits, access to Pika 1.5, the latest model, and video downloads. Paid plans offer even more features, such as unlimited credits and access to additional models like Pika 1.0, along with faster generation times. If you're creating content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, you can use a 9:16 aspect ratio. For this tutorial, I'll use the 16:9 ratio. You can also customize your prompts with advanced options like adding negative keywords, e.g., ugly, bad, or uploading an image for context. For example, I'll input the prompt, a cyclist riding a bike downhill on a forest road. You can even apply Pika effects, such as inflate, explode, or squish it, to make your videos more creative. Once the video starts generating, it might take some time due to high demand for the tool. If you want faster results, consider upgrading to a paid plan like Standard, Pro, or Unlimited. These plans not only speed up generation times, but also unlock more features. Pika AI offers unique effects like explode, crush, and melt, which you can use to create engaging content. For example, videos created with the Squish It effect look incredible, as seen in examples shared by users like John Barron. From squishing toilets to exploding cakes, the creativity is endless. This tool is perfect for creating content for YouTube or TikTok, with features that make it easy to develop niche channels around effects like Crush It. While the current waiting times can be long, it's clear that Pika AI is in high demand, and this is just the beginning for AI-powered video creation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link in the description to explore Pika AI for yourself. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.